Morning. How's everyone doing? Happy Tuesday. Hello. Hello. Brokers are having problems again today? Oh no. Oh no. Let's see what's going on. Like always, you guys have my levels on my Discord, levels on SPY, the Q, and my watch list. What's happening here? Okay, SPY is moving, the Q is doing nothing. The Q is in between a big range between all-time high and 462, and SPY is very weak. Tech holding. Meta looking beautiful. Anyone holding that Meta trade from yesterday and from last week also. IWM 237. Just fill the gap that it had below. I want to see, I'm sorry, not IWM, CRM. CRM 237, fill in the gap that it had below. I want to see CRM holding that gap. In fact, if it can hold 237, here can be a very good entry for the swing trade that I've been talking about the past, I don't know, 2 weeks. The thing is that everything, like any swing trade this week or today and tomorrow, it's very, very risky, right? We have CPI or PPI tomorrow, FOMC between tomorrow and Thursday. Do we have any data today? Any data today? I don't think so, right? Ooh, IWN under 199 could be a good short play. $237 is the level that I want to see CRM holding. Meta 500. Tesla is also dead. Can we enter Meta? What type of question is that? That's not how you trade. I'm not here to tell you when to buy and when to sell. That's your decision. I post my plan on my Discord, and if I see anything that I like, I talk about it. I talk about what I see on the chart. But entering something, that's your decision. Honestly, I'm not expecting anything from today and tomorrow. The market most likely is gonna be choppy, like always. Like always is when the market is expecting big data. Like it is with FOMC, CPI, PPI, everything. That was a perfect head and shoulders on SPY. Let's see how the Q is gonna react at 462, around yesterday's low. That's the level that I'm watching right now. Yesterday's low on the Q. If lose that, that's a short play. If we see it holding, we can play a bounce there. Morning, Jesse. You guys on anything or waiting? Meta is holding very good so far. It's holding 500, which is the level that we want to see holding. SPY puts, nice. Nice. Next support on SPY is around 531.50. Hey, morning. Morning. Okay, let's be patient here. I like Nvidia hold here. $121 is the level we want to see Nvidia holding. See. I want to see the Q closer to 462. Miami weather right now is really bad. It's either raining all day or 100 degrees. Today is gonna rain the entire day. It's pretty dark outside. Apple with the boom boom. Looks like people love that the iPad now has a calculator. That's all I got from Apple's event. I never had an iPad, so I had no idea iPad didn't have calculators. And now they do. I think the only thing that I don't have from Apple, well, I don't use Apple Watch. I use Garmin, and I don't have an iPad. Never had one. I have iPhone, Mac Mini, MacBook Air, obviously the AirPods, but no iPads. Every time I see iPads, it's like I see kids like with their parents or with their family just playing games and not being social. That's all I see when I see iPads. Okay, 462 here on the queue. We have Spy rejecting these levels. Rejecting yesterday's low. Meta under 500. That's no bueno. Okay, this is my level. The thing is, like, I don't know if I want to play the upside here with Spy rejecting yesterday's low, which is pretty bearish. Tesla 168. Tesla is a mess. Tesla under 168 is done so. I think I'm gonna wait a little and see if Spy can go over yesterday's low. Because if it keeps rejecting it, that's pretty bearish. I like that bounce on CRM, 237. It's almost at 238, it's all 238 now. Meta fighting 500. I like that hold on Nvidia, 121. And Google, 176. This is such a good opportunity to enter more loans on CRM. The thing is, like, I don't know if I want to put more money on the line with FOMC tomorrow. I'm already holding a bunch of calls on CRM swing. And I was waiting for this level to be in retest to enter more. I just don't like it with everything that we have tomorrow and Thursday. Look at that bounce out of 462. That was perfect. Anyone got that bounce on the queue? And 121 on Nvidia? That was perfect. Okay, I like that Meta hold 500. I want to see Meta breaking the VWAP, and I want to see the VWAP acting as support, not as a resistance. Apple is flying. And the one on my watch list that I like right now is Microsoft. If can hold 427. Just gave me the pullback that I was looking for, but I want to see it holding 427. And we want to see a SPY holding this level, not rejecting. This is what I'm looking on CRM. So CRM obviously has this huge gap. That's the one that I want to play, but it had a little gap here. Just fill the gap and it's bouncing hard there. So if can hold this high, this day high, Wednesday high, that's pretty bullish, and most likely that's another entry point. So we want to see CRM holding this little level here. Is way above that, so the next one is gonna be 239, 240. And it's basically doing break, retest, fill the gap. I want to see it do it again, but to the upside. Okay, very important level here on SPY. I want to see a SPY breaking the VWAP. 200 pretty much on Apple. 200, very important level there. Yeah, I was not expecting that from Apple, honestly. Ooh, look at Meta. Meta's my favorite one so far. 500 level. The level I post these on my watch list. 500. And I also talked about these level yesterday. Pretty much the past few days. 500 was resistance. Now we want to see it holding a support. And I don't know if that's gonna again, we don't know if the market's gonna move at all today and tomorrow, because the important news that we're gonna have tomorrow and Thursday. But the next resistance, like the next PT that I have for Meta, is this one around 510, 512. That's the next one. And after that, all-time high, which I think Meta can go to all-time high again. But again, everything's gonna depend on FOMC. If it wasn't for FOMC, I would have made Meta like a month out calls and just hold that. Look at the perfect bounce on CRM. Now we want to see CRM again holding 240. And watching 199 on IWM. If you use 199 or the VWAP as support, I think we can expect a move to the upside. If rejects that, we're gonna see more blood. But I like this hold here, so that could be another futures play. The Q, beautiful bounce of 462. But I wasn't feeling it because I don't like SPY under yesterday's low, which is not under anymore, but it's fighting the VWAP. And we could still have a rejection here. So I want to see SPY breaking the VWAP. So that way I'll be bullish. Meta fighting yesterday high 503. $200 rejection could be a good quick short scalp on Apple, but like very quick. I don't really recommend that because Apple's contracts barely move, and SPY is looking like it wants to break the VWAP. But 200 is a good level to play a reaction. And we have the Q so far is just still moving inside this big range here, not doing anything. Right now the best one is Meta. Looks like it's ready to boom boom, but it needs the market to also boom boom. The only one that I feel that I kind of missed was this one. These little bounce, that would have been like at least $1,000 per account trade, but it's fine. Meta, it's paying. SPY still reacting here. CRM 240. Again, not working? Really? Let's see. Don't tell me that because I want to trade today. Oh yeah. Oh no, wait. I don't see any problems with Trade-O-Wait. But okay, let's try it. Let me see what I want to try. What's IWM futures? It's YM. It's YM minis. The Russell's mini. It's RTY the micros. I don't remember. Yeah, RTY, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go with RTY. Hmm, 21. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go with ES. It's working for me, at least. Yeah. It's working. Guys, CRM was so perfect. That was a perfect gap close reversal play. Okay. Yes, I like that. Let's go down here. Let's see. We broke the VWAP. Let's see if we can hold that. I think we need Apple to break 200 for these to really move. It's gonna be a little bit difficult, but who knows? But I like that hold SPY. We have a retest of yesterday's low, bounce, and broke the VWAP. Made us a little stuck at yesterday high. IWM fighting 199. Okay. We're looking Gucci. We're looking Gucci. Come on. We have Microsoft like starting to move. I like that Microsoft 426 hold. I would love to see Microsoft breaking 427. But Nvidia is looking weak. Meta keeps rejecting yesterday high, and Apple is stuck at 200. $241 CRM. Keep going, baby. Okay. Nvidia keeps bouncing out of 121. Okay, Apple going for that 200. If really breaks 200, SPY is gonna move. Same thing with Microsoft 427. Beautiful, keep going. Still stuck here. Yeah. Again, I think Apple needs to break 200, and it's either Apple breaking 200 or Microsoft breaking 427 for SPY to really move. And I think it's more likely that Microsoft breaks 427 than Apple breaks 200. Morning, Sammy. Morning. IWN holding 199. and it has a big gap above. Buenos días, Sebastián. IWM is another swim that I love because it has a big wedge, falling wedge, that if it breaks to the upside, it's gonna boom boom hard. But again, any swim this week, it's high risk. I really like that 199 hold for a possible entry. Come on, keep going. I got the 200 calls on IWM for next week. It's a high risk trade because I'm gonna hold it through FOMC. My stop loss is today's low. It says up to 95% off. The 200 evals were 95% off. So basically that code gives you the best discount. If Apex is running an 95% off, you're gonna get that. If it is running a 90 or 80, you're gonna get that. I don't know. I don't know if Apple is gonna do that. Honestly, I don't see a reason why Apple should break 200 today. I will not be playing Apple, honestly. Meta and CRM looks way better than Apple. Microsoft, I will say, it can really hold 427, also way better than Apple. At least right now. so far, I like how SPY is holding. I have no reason to sell unless it breaks under the VWAP. Come on, keep going. Another swing that I love is Microsoft. Again, risky swinging anything this week. That 427 hold is very clean. Mm-mm-mm. 50% up on the 500 calls that we got yesterday on Meta. My next PT on Meta it's 510, 512. I'm gonna lock some profits a little bit under 534 on SPY. Ooh, look, Apple breaking 200. People really did like the calculator now on the iPads. $168 is a very important hold on Tesla. And Nvidia keeps holding 121. Yeah, 430 is the next resistance that I see on Microsoft. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so we have SPY having a little bit of trouble at this pre-market level. Let's see. Give me 434 and I can get all out. That's awesome. Congrats. Congrats. Man, CRM keeps going. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take profits around 534. And then I'll wait for SPY to break this high, and then if it really breaks this high, we can play another upside move here. You guys watched the video that I posted last night? You want more videos like that? If you haven't watched, go and watch it. I explain how to trade gaps, which is gaps are my favorite setups all time. That video is part of the one of the classes that I did on my last mentoring program. Ooh, Nvidia's dying. Nvidia's dying. That is not bueno for me for this trade. There's a video. Come on, Microsoft, keep going. Okay, SPY looks like it wants to keep boom booming. Keep going. We're looking kind of tired here. Well, the 30-minute time frame still looks pretty bullish. Keep going, keep going. Okay, I like that move. I'm gonna sell one there. I can see SPY kinda getting tired unless I see like a strong 5-minute candle. But we can see how we have a big candle and then a little bit smaller and then kind of rejecting this level here. But it's still pretty bullish. The 30 minutes doing a higher high so far, but it's too early because the 30-minute candle still had over 23 minutes to close. Man, what a move on CRM. That swing is looking beautiful. Come on, 534. Give me 534. And I'm out. Nvidia is super weak. Just rejected 121. AKA gonna keep going lower, it looks like. Come on, SPY. Boom, boom. Go. 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 Move with Apple. Go. Give me 534. Anyone got into Microsoft? 427 hold was so clean. I don't know why I didn't got at least one contract. It's right out of my morning watch list. Look at this. Look at this. 426, 420, 426.50, pullback, enter to play the upside continuation. Look at this. Exactly what we had today on Microsoft. Same thing with Meta, 500 hold. Watching 500 to hold to play the upside. Trading sometimes can be so easy. You just gotta follow the plan. Okay, I'm out. I like my I like these gains here. I'm out. I'm out. That was beautiful. Congrats if you took that with me, or if you took these 462 hold. Either or, both were very clean setups. You should be happy. Green and buy. One very good trade and buy. Done. There we have 534. IWN looks ready to boom boom. Should I get a RTY's contract with futures? I like that hold. I got options. IWN options. Too late. Already boom booming. Look at this. 189 hold. Falling wedge. Looks ready. I think I can go to 202, 203 with time. But again, FOMC. That's awesome, Debbie. Congrats. How many contracts you got? You got like 3, 4? 4 minis? 3 minis? Or you played NQ? Apple is crazy strong. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Awesome, that's awesome. Congrats, guy. Beautiful day. Very clean. Happy that I was patient enough to wait for this trade. Because I'm not gonna lie, when I came here a little bit late, I thought I wasn't gonna have any trades. Because I was like, okay, so I missed this entry here to play the downside. I was like, maybe with FOMC coming, maybe today is just gonna be a downside day. But no, patience really paid. Yeah, I will say yes, yes. This is another one. This SPY can really break this level for 534.50. Yeah, you can definitely have another little upside move here. Yeah. Yeah, so we see the hourly. So this is the pre-market high resistance, right? And we can see how it was a important level. All this was a important level yesterday. It was support yesterday. So support, now we need to see it as support again. So far it's acting as resistance, and it was resistance pre-market. So yes, I will say for 34.50. That's the level you want to see a SPY breaking to play the upside continuation. and pretty much up to, let's see, up to 535 is the gap. From yesterday, pretty much almost 536, because the gap is from yesterday's close till today's open. Look at this V move here on SPY. Like, to the past few days, it's been a perfect example of trading based on how the market is moving. So the market is clearly in an uptrend, right? So what the biggest move are gonna be if you play it with the market, right? If you go with the trend. And because the market it's been moving in an easy trend, you can get into a trade and hold for a little bit longer rather than just buying and selling right away and being a quick scalps, because we're having a trendy market. But if we have a choppy market, that's when you need to be in and out fast. But if we have a clear trend on the bigger time frames, like the daily and the weekly, which we have, like SPY and the Q are definitely very bullish on the weekly and daily time frames, we can take a little bit, like we can hold longer our position, because we know by history how the market is moving. So we can kind of say, if the market's been moving to the upside, most likely we can hold a little bit longer our position and just wait for the next resistance. On a choppy market, we cannot do that, because most likely we're gonna get stopped out fast. When was it that the market was super choppy and I was having a hard time, because most of my trades are like this one. I just buy at support and then just hold until the next resistance. But I think it was on April that the market was a little bit choppy and I was holding a little bit longer, and I was green a lot and then right away I was red, or I was green and then I held for a little too long. Not a little too long, but it was a little too long for that type of market, because the market was choppy. So it's very important to just trade how the market is moving. The market is trending, so we go with the trending days. The market is choppy, we gotta get in and out fast. Also, you guys can see how I trade futures one way, but options I can hold for days, weeks, even months. Futures for me are more like scalps for day trades, and options is are my longer time positions, like bigger, lower risk, bigger rewards. I do not like to scalp options. I don't see it worth it. Yeah, exactly. The trend is your friend until it bends. Meta is having a lot of trouble at yesterday high. Microsoft is looking beautiful. Nvidia is still fighting 121. Nvidia, I think it's just gonna be choppy this week. Like I said yesterday, I'm not looking to trade Nvidia because I want to give it Nvidia kind of time to digest how it's gonna move after the split. So I think Nvidia might be a good, it's gonna present very good trades, but I don't like it for this week. I'm gonna let it do its thing And then maybe next week I'm gonna start trading Nvidia. The Q and SPY both are at resistance. The Q is about to touch all-time high again. And if Apple keeps going, same thing with Microsoft. If Microsoft keeps going, I think it is crazy, but I think the Q is gonna make a new all-time high. Yeah, if you had a few... If I had micros, I had like 10 micros, I will be holding 1 or 2. But because I'm trading minis is different. Also, I'm not expecting much today and tomorrow. At what time we have FOMC? Let's see. So we had CPI pre-market and FOMC at 2. And Powell at 2:30. CPI pre-market. This is gonna mess up my swings. I have CRM and IWM that I'm most likely gonna hold through CPI. Meta, I think I'm gonna sell Meta today because Meta is definitely more expensive, so yeah, I'm gonna sell Meta today. I wanna see Meta touching 509, 510 today. I took profit yesterday on HD. Yeah, today's gonna be for maybe quick scalps. Look at that daily candle on Apple. Apple's been crazy the past few days. Apple does not move like that. 4, 6, 2, 3. Today's it's a 10 points move on Apple. That is not normal. Morning. Okay, I'm watching this. Let's see if SPY is gonna break that. Same thing with the Q this high. Whoa. I want to know who got Microsoft. 427 entry. 426, 426.50 was the real level to hold. But that 427 break and retest was so clean. Please tell me at least one of you got that one. Is the Q gonna are we gonna see a new all-time high today on the Q? That will be insane. Nobody? Nobody got Microsoft? Tesla boot? Why Tesla boot? Tesla is holding support. 168 is a very strong support. You're literally trading puts at support. Unless you took a scalp rejection of the VWAP, but if you took it right now, that's a very bad entry. To play puts on Tesla, you need to wait for a break and retest of 168. Literally break 168 and then play the rejection. So look at this on Tesla. So you can see 168, very strong level of support in the past. If you enter here, you're literally entering put at support. You want to see it breaking, retesting. This is your entry, and then you play the downside. Unless you play this VWAP rejection and you're looking for a quick move to the downside. Still not a good risk to reward because you're too close to support, to a very strong support. So you're putting risk into something that it can not really give you much. IWM, baby. Keep going. I'm pretty much done for today, but I want to see if the Q is gonna break all-time high. Who got a green day today? I want to see yes or money. I want to see money in the chat. Who's green today? All-time high. QQQ. Only one person? You guys are so boring. It's 11. 533. That's gonna be a little bit difficult, but who knows? The thing is, no matter if you're green or not, you gotta see yourself and see your trade and said, and really be honest with you and said, was this a good trade? Or I got lucky? And I'm gonna put Tesla puts as a example, because if we see what was the risk to reward here, that was not good. Look, you enter, let's just say you enter around here. Your stop loss is the VWAP. And you're looking for little profits here because you're too close to a very strong support. So how much money, like, you gotta think like this. Do I want to risk a lot of money to get a little bit of profit? Or do I want to enter something that it can move a lot, but I'm risking a little bit? That's how you gotta think about every single one of your trades. Do I want to risk a lot to get a little bit? Or do I want to risk a little bit to get a lot? AKA having a good risk to reward trade. Yeah, I'm trading today, but I'm not trading FOMC because I only trade in the morning most of the time, or at least I do the streams in the morning. So FOMC is at 2 in the afternoon. So I'm only gonna trade in the morning and be done. Okay, so we have a SPY trying to hold this resistance support, which is what we want to see if we want to keep playing the upside, or at least I want to see so like my swings can keep going higher. But yeah, I'm done for today. I'm done. Watch this high all-time high on the Q. So far the Q is still on this big range here between all-time high and 462. It had a beautiful bounce out of 462, very clean. Now rejecting pretty much all-time high. So I guess if you want to keep trading this, oopsie, this is a level to watch. It's either gonna project or it's gonna break out all-time high. For SPY, I will say pre-market high is the level to watch. Same thing, it's either gonna reject here, maybe retest the VWAP, or Gonna keep going higher till, I will say, yesterday high. So far it's looking like it's rejecting this level. Let's see what else. Meta, I want to see it holding 500. CRM, we want to see it holding the VWAP. IWM, I want to see it holding 199. And that's it for today, guys. Very good. I'm gonna walk later. I need to go to the gym, like right now. Not feeling it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm not feeling it. Just the weather is so bad. It's raining non-stop. It's pretty dark outside. It's like weather to just watch Netflix and do nothing, but I'm gonna go to the gym. So love you guys. Thank you for being here. Remember to watch the video that I posted last night. And if you have any questions, just leave comments on the videos. That help my YouTube channel, and I always answer everything. So thank you. Remember to like the video. See you mañana.